What's up everyone, 3D Prince 747 here, back again with another video. So I have a requirement to take a picture and turn it into a 3D object. So I found this tool called Meshy. It's subscription based. You can do a couple for free, but if you do the subscription you can do $10 a month. They have a special right now. So I was able to import the image and then basically go through and select if I want a texture, just different things, and then generate. And this is what I came out with. How cool is that? And it did a couple of different ones. I didn't like this one because it had a hole in the texture of the ear, because you can see over here in the picture that there's kind of like a shadow, and it took that as, I think, a hole in the texture. This was the same way. So I remeshed it and increased the number of triangles and did a remesh. So I did adaptive and then did ultra poly count rather, and then selected triangle and confirmed. And when you do that, it just not slices, but regenerates, remeshes the model. Now I did take this into Tinkercad to get rid of these points, because this is going to be in a preschool teacher's classroom, my wife's, and I don't need any kids turning this into a dangerous object, poking people in the face or whatever. So I took that into Tinkercad, put a couple of negative blocks where they are, and removed them. But otherwise, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm going to hand paint it, maybe airbrush it, and yeah, she's going to put it on her desk. She is in the process of writing a children's book, and I'm going to print these characters. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like once it's printed. I'm going to do a low infill and probably a low resolution. I don't need anything super high res, so probably do 0.20. It's the standard. I'll do 4 walls and maybe 5% infill just to make it lighter but still make it strong, and we'll see how it turns out.